If you have ever looked up at the night sky and wished you could see the moon's craters, the rings of Saturn, or distant planets up close, you are in the right place. Today, we are taking a look at a fantastic, high-powered entry point into stargazing, the 80mm Aperture 600mm AZ Mount Refractor Telescope. Whether you are an adult diving into astronomy for the first time, or looking for an incredible educational gift for your kids, this portable setup is designed to bring the universe straight to your backyard without a frustrating setup process. Let's start with the optics because that is what truly matters. This telescope features a generous 80mm objective lens paired with a 600mm focal length. That large aperture allows the tube to gather a massive amount of light, while the fully multi-coated high-transmission glass lenses reduce reflections and maximize brightness. What does that mean for you? It means you get crystal clear, razor-sharp images of lunar details, celestial bodies, and even daytime wildlife or landscapes. To help you dial in the perfect view, the kit comes with two high-quality, replaceable eyepieces providing 30x and 66x magnification, alongside a 5x24 finder scope to help you accurately lock onto your targets in seconds. They also packed in some essential accessories that usually cost extra. You get a specialized moon filter that transmits just 13% of incoming light. This is a massive lifesaver because it cuts down on the blinding glare of a full moon, drastically improving contrast so you can actually see fine mountain ridges and craters. Tracking those objects is incredibly smooth thanks to the altazimuth mount, allowing you to manually steer the telescope horizontally and vertically with ease. Even better, it includes a smartphone adapter, so you can line up your phone's camera right with the eyepiece to snap stunning, high-resolution photos and videos of space to share instantly with your friends and family. Portability and ease of use are where this setup completely wins. The entire kit requires absolutely zero tools to assemble, meaning you can have it up and running in just a few minutes right out of the box. It includes a sturdy, adjustable aluminum tripod that adapts from roughly 18 inches up to 52 inches, making it perfectly comfortable for both adults and kids. When you are ready to head out to a darker park or go camping, everything breaks down cleanly into the included custom travel backpack, so you can take your stargazing adventures anywhere. If you are ready to stop just staring at the stars and start truly exploring them, this telescope is the perfect companion to begin your journey into the cosmos. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know what celestial object you want to see first, and I will see you in the next video.